sleepy. Your hair looks messy. You reaching out for me? You reaching out for me? Do you want to get up? Do you want to get up? You want to get up? I don't know if that'll work. I'll try it. You gonna get up? You gonna come out? Hi. You're so cute in the morning. Get out your hair. Looks just beautiful. You're yawning. You're still a little tired. Hi. You slept in today. Hi. You slept in today. You still a little tired? Yeah. Are you going to Violet? You got a lot to say this morning, huh? Is that Taz? Is that Taz? It's Zoe. It's Zoe. You see Zoe? Zoe. There's Olivia. You knocked Olivia down. You look beautiful this morning. You got your beauty rest. You got your beauty rest. Say bye-bye, everyone. I'm going to start my day. Bye-bye. Good job.